Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily expand an image using the Generative Fill feature. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your image in Photoshop. Now we want to extend the image, so we need to select the area we want to stretch. Head over to the left toolbar and grab the rectangle marquee tool. Click and drag to select the area you want to extend, whether it's the background or just a portion of your image. Once your area is selected, head up to the top menu and click on Generative Fill. A prompt will appear, but all you need to do here is leave it blank. Now, just click Generate. Photoshop will work its magic, and in just a few seconds, the selected area will be expanded seamlessly to match the rest of the image. It's that easy. And there you go. You've successfully extended your image with just a few clicks. Super simple, right? This tool is such a game changer for quickly modifying your images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.